Okay, I dare you to go price out a paddleboard with all the accessories that come with this Aurora Borealis paddleboard from Enjoy the Ocean. The brand sent this to me to try out, and I have to tell you, my mom opinion is that you cannot buy everything that comes in this box that is like literally no bigger than a box of chips that I get from Costco, and you cannot beat the price. There's just no way. So if you're looking for a paddleboard and you just need everything to come in the box, this is absolutely the one that you should buy. It comes in multiple colors. Here we're putting it together. It's like a whole family activity. As a family from Ohio, it is currently March and it's been snowing here. And suddenly we have a 75-degree day. So this actually worked out like perfect for our family. So anyway, we pumped it all up. As you can see, there's lots of information on Amazon about this. It comes with everything you need in here, plus a bunch of other accessories that individually will just add up to hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So we got it all put together. The cool thing is that little backpack there, you can throw it on your back. It's a hands-free carrying case, so you can literally be dragging your kids along, pulling a wagon, pushing a stroller, and also have the paddleboard, everything inside that backpack ready to be pumped up and put together. And of course we had to try it. So we tossed it in the pond behind our house, and there's the dog supervising. This thing floats like you would not believe. It is so stable. It is so lightweight, even once it's gotten wet. And I can tell you that despite the fact that this one was sent to me to try out, I've already added 2 more to my Amazon cart because there is no way we're going to get through the summer without each of my kids having one. So again, check out the Enjoy the Ocean stand-up paddleboard. You will not be disappointed.